Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So I'm filming the intro to this video a couple days after I actually filmed the video, but anyway, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my own head wraps and headscarves for the low, because I know when you buy head wraps on like Amazon or online, or if you go to like a beauty supply store that has them, they can be very expensive. So I'm going to be showing you guys where to go to get your supplies to make your own for the low. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm out here looking crazy, y'all. See? So I'm just showing you guys the various African prints they have. They have some very nice, pretty, good quality, sturdy fabrics. Like, I'm not even lying to y'all, the fabric is not cheap, but they have a lot of patterns. They also have the stretch African fabric if you prefer the more stretchier one. Now I'm gonna be showing you the interlock. I really like the stretch fabric to use as my head wraps. It's easier to use and easier to maneuver. They have a lot of stretch material. So at this point, when you bring it up to the counter, they cut off how many yards you want and they fold it up for you and they put it in your bag and you take it home. So I'm just showing you guys what the process looks like. So at this point, I had went to the Brooklyn location that's by my school. So I'm just showing you guys the many fabrics they have, and they was having a 10% off sale, so they was having some good prices in there. But I'm just showing you all of the different fabrics they have and the different ones that you can choose from. They had a different assortment though. They had a greater assortment, I'm not gonna lie. They had a lot more fabrics than the first one that I went to. So in the next clip after this, I had already been home. So what you want to do first is set up your workstation. So I have my fabric bond, I have my fabric glue. These are not fabric scissors, these are regular shears, but these are sharp as hell, so these are do. I have all my fabrics laid out. These are the prints that I picked out. This one has to be my ultimate favorite one. This one is really, really nice. Like, I really love this one. This one is my favorite. Then we have this one. I was trying to get some fall colors because nobody want to be wearing no bright ass head tie. Then I got my solid colors. I have black, blue, and the gray one that I'm wearing. So this fabric is what I'm going to be using to make my silk scarf. Hello everyone, so it is the next day and we're on the floor. And you could use a table if you want. I'm just using the floor because it gives me more space. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to customize your head wraps, how to cut them and customize them. Also, how to fix this little detail. So for me, 1 yard is enough. That gives me just enough space to work with. But if that is too big for you, then you could just take it in the middle, fold it in half. You could use the 12-inch ruler, the 12-inch wooden rulers that they have. So you're gonna take it, and when you have it folded, you're just gonna cut straight up the fold. I like to do this because I don't have a ruler. So you're just gonna cut straight up where you just folded it. You could use fabric scissors. I'm just using these shears. So now you have this to work with, which this is more easier to work with if you're not used to having large head wraps. So this is perfect. When you go to the fabric store and you get your fabric cut, it's gonna leave these little things, and if you're like me and you don't care, that's fine. But when you put this in a washing machine, they're just gonna start to stick out. So I'm just gonna show you how to fix that cheaply with $2. So this is some iron-on fabric bond. We have our head wrap laid out, and to fix these frayed hems, I'm going to take some of my fabric tape and I'm just going to cut a piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fabric adhesive and I'm just going to move it down almost at the end, because then I'm just going to take the top piece and fold it over. You want to do this one side at a time. So first I'm just going to take my adhesive right here, and I'm going to take this fabric that's on this side and I'm going to fold it over onto the adhesive. And then I'm going to take my iron and I'm going to place it on there, and I'm going to go back and forth. If you want, you could use fabric glue. So you want to flatten it out. You don't want to hold it there too long. Completed. And it's nice and flat. No more frayed in. Now I'm going to do the same thing over here. And this should be your finished results. So I'm going to show you, this is how it looks versus this is how it looked before, with the little ends sticking up. Now it's nice and perfect. So now I'm going to show you guys how to make your own silk scarf. The silk scarves at the beauty supply store be mad expensive for no reason. Like, hell no, I'm not paying that for no damn headscarf. What you want to do, depending on how big you want it to be, you want to spread it out on the floor or on your table, and we're going to make it into a square. So I'm going to be cutting at the half, and I'm going to be cutting, make sure you cut straight. Here we are, here is our scarf. So now we have the square. So now what you want to do is you want to fold it, and you want to see how everything lines up, because this is not in line with that. So you could go ahead and cut off the extra fabric that's right there. If you want to, you could go ahead and take the sides and sew them down so they don't move. But real scarves, they open up. They open up. At the beauty supply store, they don't be having some nice ones. So I like this because you can pick out your own fabrics in your own style. Now, I mean, you can pick out your own pattern. Now, if you want it to be bigger, of course, you know, you just cut a bigger piece and that'll make your scarf bigger. Alright guys, so this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you want to see more like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.